What's going on, Mac fam? We are back with another video. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification bell for more videos, and let's get into it. I'm starting with a recipe staple, coconut oil. For this recipe, I mixed green tea with my lye water solution, and I will be mixing the solution directly into my hard oils, so that the heat from the lye melts the hard oils. I found that it reduces curing time and yields a much harder bar. This oil didn't take as long to melt down as I thought it would, which is a good thing because I had somewhere to be when I filmed this. Eventually, I began to press the chunks against the sides of the bowl. And I'm going to do a quick temperature check. Then add the rest of my soft oils. I've got castor oil, grapeseed oil, and olive oil. And of course, to help with the bubbles, I'm adding sugar, which really does work. And another staple, colloidal oats. I'm going to hand mix it into the batter and bring it to a medium trace. This recipe's featured ingredient is green tea leaves. Now, green tea is known to be rich in antioxidants, contains several vitamins, and is said to soften and smooth the skin, among a host of other useful benefits. So I just tear open the bag and dump it right on in. And now to fill up this 2-pound brambleberry mold. And I cannot forget my favorite tool to texture the top, my handy dandy spoon. Now I'm taking a slip of bubble wrap and placing it down one end of the loaf. I'm going to be sure to push down on the top to get rid of as many air pockets as I can. I'm taking another bag, tearing it open, and sprinkling it down the other side of the loaf. I like a tidy mold, so I'm going to wipe down the sides.
I regret to inform you, some footage has been lost during the editing process. I'll do better next time. Promise.
Now we're going to cut this beautiful bar. This bar is so creamy and bubbly, and the leaves add a nice light exfoliation. I really love the size of these bars. It's a perfect fit for the palm of your hand. This bar is not scented, so the natural aroma of the ingredients is all you'll get this go round. But this can be a soap that is made with additional fragrances, so don't get too bummed out. Green Tea Oat Bar is now available in my Etsy shop. Thank you, Mac Fam, for making it this far. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.